I don't like it.
I don't either. I'm tired of shit.
Sick of it.
Yeah, you can say I hate it. I can't bear it. Yeah, that's
I can't bear it. I can't stand it.
I can't stand it. Yeah, that's right.
I dislike.
I dislike it. Like, I give a I don't want to say a bad word. That was like, okay, let's go.
I hate it.
Okay, how do I say, like, really badly? যদি কারো কোনো ফ্রেন্ডলে I'm sorry guys, যদি কোনো ফ্রেন্ড এভাবে বলতে হয় তাহলে motherfucker shut the fuck up, I don't give a shit. I'm really sorry to say that. I'll pass, okay.
I'm not fond
I'm not for it. What?
of it.
I'm not fond of it. That you can say, like, yeah, you can say badly also if you wanted. It's like, I'm not fond of, like, you can say a lot of things like I'll pass. That will get away. Motherfucker, I'll be fine. এটা অনেক ভাবেই বলা যায়. Just আমার মনে পড়তেছে না the word the way we said Stanley, like friendদের সাথে কথা বলতে কিভাবে বলা লাগে. I'm not into shit. Yeah. I'm not taking on it. Is it like এটার কি আছে যে give away? I don't give a damn. এটার এমন হইতো I don't give a damn, like
Keen on it. No,
I don't appreciate it, like, yeah, like, আমি পছন্দই করি নাই. Okay,
I appreciate that.
I didn't appreciate that. Yeah, that's right.
No.
Okay, I'm not big fan of that. Yeah, অনেকবার এরকম হয়েছে যে I'm not shit of that. মানে তো shit ওয়ার্ডটা ব্যবহার করে বেশিরভাগই অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলের যারা ইংলিশ, অনেক হাই কোয়ালিটি ইংলিশ ব্যবহার করে. যারা মুভিতে বেশি পাওয়া যায়, অ্যান্ড যারা 24/7 দে স্পোক ইংলিশ, রাইট? খাইতে পড়তে ঘুমাইতে যা করতে সব কিছু ইংলিশ. সো দে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইউজ লাইক দ্যাট. This, no, I'm not a big fan of it. Rarely they used, yeah. Sorry guys, তারা ইউজ করে খুব কম. Not like that the way she said. This is a kind of professionally she's teaching. I like her, you know. I like her. Way she's teaching. I don't know when was it. Okay. And ওনার যে হাজব্যান্ড আছে ওনারও রেসপেক্ট করি, ওনার হাজব্যান্ডের রেসপেক্ট করি. I'm not trying to roast you, sis, but I'm just you know, the opposite. There is like positive, negative. There's যদি কেউ কথা বলে there is 3 ধরনের, 4 ধরনের হইতে পারে: professional, unprofessional, you can say street, and they are a way, right?
I'm not a big fan of it. I'm not crazy about it.
Like, if you say I'm not crazy about it, I could say like, yeah, damn, I don't care, you know, like, get away, like, it's not in my mind, it's not my, yeah, it are a way, lot of way, you know. If someone will say like, it is কেউ যদি বলে তুমি কি তার প্রেমে পড়েছো, no, I'm not crazy about her, you can say that. And this is about also same things, like তোমরা যদি কেউ তুমি তো চার জন্য পাগল হয়ে গেছো, no, I'm not actually crazy about it. And this is also I'm fucking sick, you know, I'm just fucking coughing, you know. I'm not fucking sick, but this cold is I'm smoker, so this actually stuck on my fucking chest, this cigarette, you know, nicotine. Okay, whatever is it, let's go back to that.
I've had enough.
Huh?
Of it.
Yeah, she can actually teach me a lot of things. I can actually learn from her. That's not my cup of tea. What? Then what is it, sis?
That's not my cup of tea.
That's not for me. This isn't for me. Okay, that's not for me. This isn't for me. Yeah, it's like, imagine that. That's not for me. This isn't for me. This shit. I want this shit. Okay, yeah.
It's not for me.
That's not my things. Yeah, that's even right. That's not kind of things. Yeah, there are a lot of way to say it. Yeah,
My
right.
thing.
She's
No,
absolutely
I'm not
professional. I know that, bro. You don't have to explain me.
interested in that.
Okay, I don't give a damn about that.
এরকম করে মজা করে ইংলিশ শিখতে আমার স্পোকেন
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে শেখানোর